Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon all. First of all, I'll welcome our CMD sir to grace this occasion and for the inauguration of MSF VRAP. So I'd like to request our director, Praveen Singh sir, to kindly welcome our CMD. I will request our director Sumit Singh sir to present a bouquet to CMD sir and welcome him. So team, this is another milestone for MSF in terms of the technology development and uses of technology that we do. So we are one of the foremost agencies in India that is launching this kind of an app which will be very useful right from the lowest person in the hierarchy, that is the security guard who is working, to the supervisor, area officer, operations, branch, and the HOs who are sitting over here. So this app that we are launching today is something that is a very unique concept which was given to us by the directors, and then we developed this concept over a period of 8 months starting last year. And we have done a lot of research on this in terms of usability, in terms of the graphic user interface, in terms of understanding what is the requirement over there. We have been doing 2 months of testing over here, and we have made the changes as per the test feedback that we have got. So this app, like as we were discussing yesterday, and I remember what Amit sir told, this is like an office in your phone. So nobody needs to come to the office for resolving any grievances. Nobody needs to come to the office for reporting an incident. Nobody needs to come to the office for getting training. Everything is there in this app, and this will be very useful for all security guards who can use this app to reach out to MSF. And this is the second thing which is there, is that it is very transparent. So every data, every input, every single word that the guard types, it will be visible to all the people in the system as it is. अगर गार्ड लिखता है कि मुझे PF ESIC का है तो उसको PF ESIC दिखेगा. अगर उसको लिखता है कि मुझे ड्यूटी चाहिए तो ड्यूटी दिखेगा. अगर उसको लगता है कि मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए तो छुट्टी का दिखेगा. So this will be visible to everybody down the chain, right from the guard to the CMD sitting at this HO which is there. And secondly, the most important thing is that the trust of the client. So we are working in a service industry, and service industry works on two things: trust and credibility. So how far he trusts you to give this service, and what is your credibility when you provide this service to the clients. So this will enable us to ensure that we maintain the trust of the client and we are providing credible information to the client. So this app, it has things like MSF or MFM company information. It has your vacancies that you can look for a job, where you can refer your family or friends. It has a company website link. It has all the training links. So you will get a video automatically download. Sir, just say somebody wants to do a POS training, this will be included in this. You will have to complete the training, and automatically it will register that you have completed the POS training. Similarly, I want to give a training on, say, COVID-19 pandemic. So automatically this link will come to you. You will complete that training, and that will be visible to everybody down the line. Similarly, if you have any issues, so this has a link directly where you can call up the control room. You can chat with the control room. You can call up any of the area officers which are there. You can call up your branch manager. All these contacts are very transparent and visible for every person who is using this app. So this is a very unique venture. You need to understand that how we are progressing and transforming our company. So from a company which is normally doing duties which are comparable to other companies in this area across India, we are providing this first step where we are providing full transparency and full trust and accountability. So you should remember that the directors, all the HODs, all the staff members who are working over here, they are directly being accountable to whatever the guard is there. Guard can tell you that कि sir मेरा salary time पर नहीं आया है, मेरा PF का मुझे withdraw करना है. So all these things will be visible, it will be transparent, and the guard will trust MSF more on that. So as you can have a look at the app once it is inaugurated. So I'm sure that you will like it, and we will wait for your feedback once you start using this app. With these words, I will request our CMD sir to say a few words of encouragement and motivation for all of us, and then inaugurate this. So what I will request is that we will inaugurate the MSF app first, and then we'll request CMD to give us his guidance.
यहाँ से हाँ सर ये अच्छा यहाँ से
Request CMD sir to launch the app formally.
Thank you very much for launching this app. मैं अमित, प्रवीण, मेजर विनय साहब तथा इनके पूरी टीम का अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं आपको कि इतना बढ़िया ऐप आपने आज हमारे यहाँ को द्वारा लॉन्च कराया, जिसमें जैसे मेजर साहब ने कहा कि पूरी ट्रांसपेरेंसी यहाँ पे है, और आपको पता है कि हमारी कंपनी पूरी ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ काम करती है, लेकिन और ट्रांसपेरेंसी हो इसकी वजह से हम नए नए ऐप का लॉन्च करते हैं, और आशा करता हूं कि फ्यूचर में भी इसी तरह से एप्लीकेशंस बनते रहेंगे। इसमें जो बताया गया है कि जो सिक्योरिटी ट्रेनिंग से लेके कंपनी का फुल इंफॉर्मेशन और गार्ड के बारे में, ज्यादातर गार्ड के ग्रीवेंसेस के बारे में इसमें सारी चीजें दी गई हैं कि अगर उनको कोई तकलीफ है तो इसके थ्रू वो हमारे कंट्रोल रूम को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और अपना उनको भी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इस ऐप के थ्रू वो हम बता सकते हैं। इमीडिएट हमारे कारपोरेट ऑफिस से उसके ऊपर एक्शन लिया जाएगा। मैं ये भी चाहता हूं कि जैसे हिंदुस्तान की डिफेंस आज पूरे वर्ल्ड में एक नंबर पे मानी जाती है, उसी तरीके से मेरी एक इच्छा है और एक ड्रीम भी है कि हमारी भी मॉडर्न फोर्स हिंदुस्तान का एक नंबर पे वो कंपनी आगे इसी तरह से नए नए डेवलपमेंट होते रहेंगे, और एक हाईटेक सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज हम अपने क्लाइंट को देते रहें। बेस्ट टू बेस्ट जो हो सकता है कि हम अपनी कंपनी के लिए करते रहें। ज्यादा से ज्यादा हमारा यही उद्देश्य होगा कि हमारे जो एम्प्लॉइज है फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड हो, 100% उनके ग्रीवेंसेस पूरी की जाए, जो भी बेनिफिट्स गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा हमारे पास आती है देने के लिए वो सारी चीजें कंप्लाई की जाए। और मैं HR से भी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं, अगर कहीं कुछ इस तरीके से इस ऐप के द्वारा आता है तो उसमें डिले न करें, इमीडिएट उसको एक्शन लिया जाए और उसकी बातें सुनी जाए। बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें दी गई हैं, आप लोगों के पास ये दिया जाएगा ऐप, उस पर आप स्टडी कीजिए। और बस यही कहना चाहता हूं कि अपनी एजेंसी मॉडर्न फोर्स अच्छा से अच्छा काम करे और 100% सेटिस्फैक्शन अपने क्लाइंट को दें, यही मेरी इच्छा है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
ठीक
We can break for the lunch.
Right.
Earlier.
Sir.
Okay.